outstanding quality and modern design. This is how OPPEIN inspires its customers. The company from Guangzhou is not only the largest kitchen manufacturer in China, but also brought the fitted kitchen into the realm of the rising sun. The foundation of the company in 1994 heralded the beginning of modern kitchen production in China. OPPEIN's leading products are kitchen cabinets and furniture. Our overall strategy is whole house furnishing. So in addition to kitchen cabinets and furniture, we also do bathrooms, doors and wallpaper. Basically, we provide every home furnishing product that's needed inside a home. OPPEIN has experienced steady growth throughout its history. Today, the company employs 14,000 people at 5 locations and produces on an area of over 2.5 million square meters. On the way to becoming the market leader, numerous challenges and problems had to be solved. In HOMAG, OPPEIN has found a strong and innovative partner.
OPPEIN has been a HOMAG customer since in the early stages. In 1997, they first started buying the first machines from us, and from 2012, they started to use our software as well. Throughout the past 20 years, we achieved a very good relationship.
In OPPEIN's modern production halls, you will find completely networked batch size 1 systems, as well as individual machines for production. The Chinese manufacturer currently uses approximately 1,700 HOMAG machines. In addition to the hardware, OPPEIN also relies on software from the Black Forest. The advantages of the complete solution from HOMAG are obvious for OPPEIN CEO. As long as I'm a decision maker at our company, I will definitely be choosing to partner with the equipment manufacturer that's most beneficial to our company's development. We feel that HOMAG is, without a doubt, very helpful to our company's growth. I visited the HOMAG headquarters in Germany 15 years ago. Not only was I deeply taken with the beauty of the local surroundings, but I was astounded by HOMAG products, their processing technology, and their management. That was my first trip to Europe. It was thrilling. After that, we decided to use HOMAG products. In fact, we used more and more of them each year as our company grew. My feelings about HOMAG equipment are mainly, number 1, the products it manufactures are especially well crafted. Number 2, HOMAG equipment is highly durable. And number 3, its value to price ratio is better than that of domestic equipment. HOMAG will continue to accompany this growth in the future with innovative solutions, because OPPEIN is a very special customer for HOMAG.
Personally, when I meet our friends from OPPEIN, I always have a feeling of a very trustful partnership. We listen to each other and have a good understanding of each other. This is the true foundation of our common success.
OPPEIN is one of our biggest customer and respective customer. Their success also supporting us in China to have the success story for HOMAG China.
OPPEIN and HOMAG will also continue to write their joint success story in the future.